Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shahrul Azrie Mazlan, and I will be presenting about the project that I have done, which is Smart Light. Okay. Smart Light is a the reason I create this system is because that some individuals are lethargic after returning to work and just want to sleep. So they forgot to switch off the light, resulting in energy loss. And also, when a children want to go to kitchen to get some water, they cannot reach to the switch because they were too short. As a result, their parents need to wake up and then accompany them to the kitchen. This will be such a hassle in the midnight. So, what would I like to improve this is by making the light to be automatically turned on when someone passing by the sensor. When somebody just move from the sensor which is the PIR motion sensor will detect the motion and then send the output to the microcontroller which is ESP8266 and then it will turn on the lights and then it will also can send notification to Discord and also I also set up a web server which it will collect all the data that has been key logged in. And now we will be moving on to the circuit design.
Okay, right now, this green wire which is connected to the output pin of the motion sensor is connected to D1, which is virtual pin is 5, and then the D0 is connected to the LED. The GPIO is 15, and then from the LED it is connected to the ground pin, and then the motion sensor is powered by 3 volt and also connected to the ground pin.
Okay, and now we will be moving on to the coding explanation. Okay, from here, I've set up the Wi-Fi and the selective libraries that will be needed, and this is the start of the web page, which this is the styling, and then here is the table that will be presenting the data, and then here is the JavaScript that will be receiving the data from ESP8266 and then passing on to the web page. After that, from here the sensor pin. This is the read data function, which it will read the motion sensor pin. When it gets an input, it will be passed on the data to the message, and then the LED, the lights will lights up, and then it will send an event, which is the motion detection. After that, it will go to the void setup, which will be connecting the data first. Will connect the microcontroller to the Wi-Fi. It will show the IP address. From the IP address, we can use it to get the web page. After that, in this part, it will give it will send requests to the IFTT applets that I have set up. It will send requests to my private key, which I have set up in the IFTT page. which is this page, which I use to connect from the microcontroller to the webhooks and then to the Discord. Uh, the microcontroller will send input to the web page, and then from there, after the webhooks gets a triggered message from the microcontroller, it will pass on uh, information to Discord bot in my server to send a notification. Uh, okay, next will be me. We will be moving on to the testing demonstration.
Okay, now the microcontroller has already plugged into the power source, which is will be supplied by my monitor. And then when I wave in front of it will light up the LED, and it will log a new data to the web page, and then it will be send data to the IFTT Discord bot. This show that from the microcontroller, it will send data to the web page, and then Discord will send the notifications.
So, in conclusions, uh, I think this project is a success because I have fulfilled all the objective that I have stated, which is to make an automatic switches for lights, and then to send a notification. Plus, I have also connect the microcontroller to the Wi-Fi, and then send the data from the microcontroller to the website, and then expand the system, which is make use of the IFTT applets, and then make use of Discord bot to send the notification to my server. I think that's all from me. Thank you.